Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am very happy to be joining you this morning in Rio from England. Thank you very much for the invitation to speak at your conference. I hope you're having an interesting time and learning about exciting developments in graphics software. I hope you enjoyed my presentation about geotagging. Being able to read, modify, and write metadata in images is the business of EXIF2. Our code is distributed as a library and used by many applications such as GIMP, Darktable, Shotwell, and many others. The library is installed with most Linux distributions and used by desktop components such as Dolphin and Conqueror. So, when you right-click on an image on the desktop, the preview and other information displayed is delivered by EXIF2. The library is robust and mature. Development started about 2004 and I joined the project in 2008. Today we have 100,000 lines of code and provide comprehensive tools for working with metadata. The new version of EXIF2 will be released in the next few days and can be downloaded from exif2.org. Before describing the release, I'd like to thank the team for their contributions and to thank 4 new volunteers who have come to work with me on version 0.27. In particular, I want to thank Andreas. He is the founder of EXIF2 and wrote most of the code. The project would not exist without his outstanding work. There are 12 major features in the new release. Time doesn't permit me to dive into them, and so I'd like to highlight the most important. 1. We have comprehensive build and test machinery. This release adds support for CMake with Visual Studio. 2. We have a build server and publish nightly, weekly, and monthly builds on 16 platforms. 3. We have added file debugging features for many file formats. 4. We have added support for ICC profiles. Ladies and gentlemen, there are many other features that have been improved and added. The primary focus of the new release is to clean up the backlog of issues. I am very pleased to say that the backlog of 230 issues has been resolved. As we move into version 0.27, we have about 50 requests for new features. I try to respond to new issues within 24 hours. I aim to close new issues within 7 days. The project status is tracked online and updated every 2 weeks. Working on EXIF2 has been a lot of work for me. In 9 years, I've contributed about 10,000 hours. I would like to retire from EXIF2 at the end of 2017. I'm a retired Adobe engineer. I lived and worked in Silicon Valley for 15 years. I retired 3 years ago to my home in England. I am 66 years of age. I have to give up working on EXIF2 sometime. I hope that EXIF2 will continue to exist and thrive in the future. EXIF2 has a team of active contributors. Open source is like all other volunteer activities. One person does most of the work. I'd like to recruit a lead engineer to manage EXIF2. If you'd like to be involved with this exciting and valuable project, please talk to me. I will mentor you and help in every way possible. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention.